What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, today I got some good gems for y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I got some gems that have potential to 10x, 20, 30, 40, 50, even 100x in this upcoming year. You know what I'm saying? They've already done some great numbers in the crypto space. It's a whole new kind of area in DeFi as a whole, and I'm very excited to share with you guys. If you're excited for it, smash the like button, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe too and hit the post notifications, because you're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop these gems, because these are the type of gems you don't want to be the last person to watch this video, because the coin would have already 100x by then. You would have missed the whole train, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop these gems. And without further ado, man, let's just hop right into this. Wait. I do have to say, before we actually get into the video, I did, of course, put my Patreon people onto this first. Like I said, it's not that I'm favoriting my Patreon people. It's just so much easier to write a post and say, hey, I just bought this. Y'all can buy this if you want to, you know what I'm saying? It's much easier to do that than to make a whole video like this, sitting down with it. But all of these coins have already made a bunch of money. One of them have 18x, I believe, right now. Another one has 3x, and another one has, I think, 6x or something like that. So we've been doing crazy in the Patreon. So if you want to be notified whenever I post or whenever I buy a coin, whenever I'm taking profit on a coin, when I'm researching a new coin, you want to see every single cryptocurrency I'm holding right now, hit on my Patreon right there, patreon.com/JoovierGems. Obviously, you don't have to sign up if you don't want to. It's just if you want to be a little closer to me. You want to be... That was me hugging. That was bad. Anyways, you know what I'm saying though. If you want to be in the mind of Joovier, sign up for the Patreon. If not, you still get these free gems, man. You still get these free gems. We all gonna make it. We is all gonna make it. But without further ado, let's really hop into this now. All right, so like I told you guys, it's a whole new field in the crypto space. It's a whole new area. It's very new, and it's kind of having its bull run as of right now. We had the NFT bull run, the DAO bull run, the node bull run. Hate you, ring nodes. We'll talk about that later. But we've had all these different runs, and I don't want to say bull run. Bull run might be the wrong word, because it's not nearly over. NFTs are still gonna pump. DAOs are still gonna pump. This is still pumping. Like I said, we made some great money on it already. But basically what these tokens are called are FAAS tokens. I like to call them FAAS tokens, you know what I'm saying? But it stands for Farming as a Service. And simply put, what it is you buying their token, them using the profits that they make from you buying your token and putting it into these different yield protocols. I talk a lot about Charge, Drip, Olympus DAO, all of these yield farming protocols. They'll put your money in there, and then the profits that they make off of that, they will in turn pay back to the holders of their token. So why this is good for the general public, most people don't know how to do any of the freaking stuff that we be talking about on YouTube. They don't know how to go on Radium and get some 300% APY on their token, on their stablecoin. They don't know how to go to Charge and stake the BUSD static pool. They don't know how to do any of that and earn some crazy high percentages. So what these tokens are offering is, you just give us your money technically, or buy our token, and we use profits from that token to go ahead and invest in these yield farming protocols, and then we'll pay you back a percentage. So it's been working out pretty well. You earn some great money from the token value going up itself, plus the reflections that it pays off, which is basically the dividends of it. And these dividends can be paid out in a bunch of different things. Some of them pay out in Ethereum, some of them pay out in their native tokens, some of them pay out in AVAX. It really depends on which token you are doing, and also the tax that's taken out is also varies depending on the protocol. But we're gonna hop into the first one here. Multi-chain capital. This is the front runner. This is the one that started it all. As far as I know, I'm pretty sure this is the first one, unless some dude in the basement made one 30 years ago. I don't know. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't know. I thought this was the first one. But this is the first one. All the other ones are kind of mimics of this one, because the concept itself works pretty well. It's really good for people that's not really into DeFi, but they still want to be able to make dividends off of their investments. So if you come on multi-chain capital or mchain.capital, this is the webpage that you're going to see. It's very easy to buy this coin on all of the coins that I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to give you guys a brief run through of what they do, but I'm not going to go too in depth into it. Do your own research on the project. This is not financial advice. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. We're just friends, you know what I'm saying? But do your own research on these projects. They are on the riskier side, as they are a whole new field and whole new projects, but high risk, high reward. You take it as you want. Don't put your grandmas, I don't know why I keep talking about y'all grandmas. Don't put your dogs freaking food money into this. You know what I'm saying? Put the money you got from your mom last summer. Put that money into here. But if we come on here, you have two options to buy it on Uniswap and on PancakeSwap. Well, the Ethereum network or the Binance network. I would suggest buying it on PancakeSwap, as the fees are a lot less than the Ethereum network. But we're gonna come here and press enter app, and basically what it's going to show is what they're doing with the money. That is the one thing that we love about these different, I don't know why it's not loading, but that is the one thing that we love about these different protocols, especially the good ones. They have documentation of what they're doing. They show you exactly what they're doing with your money, which is great to see. So if we come over here, it says assets under management. They have $12 million invested or in their treasury as of right now. They broke it up into the different networks. Phantom, they have 9.3 million, Ethereum 900, Avalanche 600, Polygon 200, Binance 58,000. But this doesn't mean that they're just investing in these different tokens. They just are using protocols on these networks. So let's say on the Phantom network, they're using SpookySwap, and they're splitting this $9.3 million up into different protocols on SpookySwap. But that is basically how they're doing it. You can go and see exactly what they're buying and what they're investing in. If you just go to their docs right here, it'll go through all of it. It'll explain more about the project itself. So I highly suggest you guys read through all these different white papers, all these different Medium posts before you invest into these coins. I'm just bringing them to you guys' attention. So therefore you can go and do your own research on them and potentially invest in it if it is something you like. The next one we're gonna get into is REFI. This is my personal favorite. This one has went stupid for my people in my Patreon. This one has 18x as of right now, which is absolutely freaking ridiculous. We love to see it. GG's to everybody that caught that, you know what I'm saying? But REFI does technically the same exact thing. I personally love the people that's behind it, the developers that's behind it. If you go follow them on Twitter, they do Twitter Spaces sometimes. They'll do AMAs. They do all this cool different stuff. Why did I just mess up? But they do all this cool different stuff. I personally like the developers overall. So this is their website, Reimagined.fi. It stands for REFI, which is Reimagined Finance. And right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it is up pretty high, but there's still so much room for growth in this token. It's absolutely ridiculous what they've done. And I forgot to mention about multi-chain capital. They did 100 Ethereum buyback literally a couple hours ago. So they're actively trying to grow their token. All their holders, they're actually making money on it. But REFI, again, is another great one. You can come over here and see everything that they're doing with the project itself. You can see all the tokenomics. You can see the percentages that they are taking out. I think it's right here. Yeah, so the total tax on every transaction is 12%. It shows you how they break it down. 5% goes into the treasury, 5% goes into reflections. That's the reflections that they paid back out to people. And then this goes to the 2% goes to the liquidity pool. So this is another great one. Like I said, my personal favorite out of all these different tokens that you guys should check out. Come on their website, read their Medium post, read their different farming strategies. These strategy 1 and strategy 2 are their strategies. This is what they're doing personally to grow the money in their treasury. It's some great stuff that they're doing. I personally love the project. Like I've said 100 million billion times, but I'm not telling you to go buy it because I'm not a financial advisor. And if you lose all your money, it's not my fault, it's your mama's fault. Remember that. Anyways, on to the last one. I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to spend too much time kind of going through what these different projects do. I want to present them to you guys and you guys do your own research on them. The next and last one is the smallest of all of them. When I say the smallest, the market cap is the lowest. It's around, I believe, 19 million right now. My Patreon people got in at 2.7 million market cap. So we have multiplied our money multiple times over. So GG's for everybody on my Patreon with that one as well. But Etherprint.money is the website. Their V1, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, their V1 is under construction. Sorry, their V2 is under construction. V1, which is their version 1, they did have some problems with it, but they're now working on V2. They're very active inside their Twitter. They're very active on social media, which makes me feel a lot safer about it because they're actually trying to get this back out running. If you come on their website, it says printer is currently out of ink. Basically, that means they're not paying out reflections anymore as of right now, but the price of the token is still going up. If we go to Dex Screener, .com. Go to the chart over here. We did reach all-time highs last night, I believe. Oh, there was a big dump off, I guess. Oh yeah, somebody just dumped 304 AVAX. So I guess this is a buying opportunity. Somebody bought $118 worth of AVAX. But no, not 118 AVAX tokens, which comes out to $11,000. But we had all-time highs literally last night, like I said, on this coin over here. So this is another one that I personally like. Like I said, the market cap on this one is a lot smaller. It's around 15 million right now. So it is a little bit more risky, but of course, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. So if you're a thrill chaser like myself, this is still a good buy in my personal opinion. And once V2 comes out, it'll be an even bigger buy. So I'm very excited about that as well. So come on here. They don't have, unfortunately, this one does not have those documentation on their website about it. You can go to their Twitter, check out what they're talking about, check out all the different plans on their Twitter. The owner is doxed on there as well. So you guys can go check out the owner as well. He seems like a pretty cool guy. I was listening to, he did AMAs, I think like 3 nights in a row, like 3 o'clock in the morning when he first launched the project, and I was listening to all of them. So that was cool. He seemed like he really wants to push the project forward. So that's always something you want to see when you're investing in a project. But that is the end of the video. I gave you guys 3 gems that you guys should check out. Like I said, these gems have already made people in my Patreon some money, but there's still so much more room to growth in this entire field, in this entire space in crypto as a whole. I personally think you should definitely have some of these type of cryptos in your portfolio in 2022, as this could be something that could be astronomical within the next couple months. But like I said, not financial advice, not guaranteeing anything if you lose your money. But if you make $1 billion, just send me a $50 Chipotle card. We'd be good. You know what I'm saying? I'm not asking for too much. I just want Chipotle and enough to be able to get extra meat, extra guac, and sour cream, and what's the other thing I'd be getting on it? Oh, the queso, the yellow cheese. You know what I'm talking about. But that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smash the like button right now. Let me know in the comments. Are you guys in any of these already? You guys have any other recommendations? Drop them in the comments down below. I'm curious. I'll buy some more right now. Let me know. But yeah. That's pretty about it. Go look on your trades, go look on your crypto, go look on your businesses, go look on your mama's daycare that she's trying to build. Go look on life as a whole, man. I'm gonna see you on the next video.